In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of QuickBooks Online. Whether you're wrapping up your accounting tasks for the day or simply switching devices, knowing how to properly sign out of your QuickBooks Online account ensures your data remains secure and your confidential information stays private. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening up QuickBooks Online. If you're not already signed in, you'll begin on the login page. Here, you'll see the option to sign in, so go ahead and click on sign in. This step is crucial because you need to be logged in to log out, right? Once you've initiated the sign-in process, you'll be prompted to choose the specific service you're accessing. Choose QuickBooks Online from the options available. It's a straightforward step, but important to ensure you're directing your actions to the correct service. Now that you've selected QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your credentials. This is where you'll input your email or username along with your password. Double check that the information entered is correct to avoid any sign-in issues. When you're set, click Continue. With this, you should be directed into your QuickBooks dashboard where you manage your financials and accounting tasks. Once logged in, navigate to your profile photo, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. This small but significant icon holds several account-related options. Hover over or click on your profile photo, and a drop-down menu should appear. This menu gives you easy access to various settings and options related to your account, but for this video we're focusing on logging out. In this drop-down menu, you'll see the option labelled Sign Out. Clicking Sign Out will log you out of your QuickBooks account and bring you back to the login page. It's always a good idea to ensure you've completed your work and saved any ongoing files before signing out, as this prevents any data loss or disruption to your workflow. By following these steps, you ensure that your session is securely closed. Logging out effectively helps protect your sensitive financial data, especially if you're working on a shared or public computer. Remember, safeguarding your QuickBooks account is as simple as knowing how to sign in and out properly. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully logged out of QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials on managing your business software efficiently. Until next time, take care and enjoy using QuickBooks Online safely and securely.